Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Bugle is gearing up to release his third national dancehall. DJ Shaggy is set to play Sebastian the Crab in the live concert production of The Little Mermaid. The network made the announcement last week, also noting that Shaggy will star alongside Queen Latifah, who is set to play Ursula in the special that will be aired on ABC in November. The live musical event is part of the Wonderful World of Disney franchise, honoring the 30th anniversary of The Little Mermaid. Plans to remake The Little Mermaid film with Halle Bailey from Grownish in the role of Ariel. Bailey is half of the singing sister duo Chloe and Halle. Now onto the international scene, where musical icon Mary J. Blige gave her fans a treat with the release of her new single titled No. The track showcases her iconic vocals as she gave a powerful testimony of triumph and struggle. Mary J. Blige and Nas recently announced their co-headlining royalty tour this summer. The two icons also collaborated on a new single called Thriving. The R&B legend is also getting ready to take over your TV screen after being cast in a spin-off of Star's hit series Power. Still on the international scene, Nas has dropped his latest album titled The Lost Tapes 2. The project is the follow-up to his original Lost Tapes, which was released back in 2002. The album consists of 16 tracks with songs like No Bad Energy, Lost Freestyle, Highly Favored, among others. The Lost Tapes album included production from superstars like Kanye West, Pharrell Williams, RZA, Swiss Beats, No ID, Pete Rock, Alchemist, and more.
No bad energy, please, no bad energy. All that over there, man. Keep that away, man. Keep that away. No bad energy, please, no bad energy. You know what I'm saying? Big Apple, my Hennessy, please. No bad energy.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.